In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets in HubSpot. Whether you're managing customer inquiries, reporting technical issues, or tracking internal tasks, creating tickets in HubSpot is a fundamental part of ensuring smooth and efficient service operations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the platform, input the right details, and manage tickets effectively. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now, let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to all the tools you need, including the Service Hub where we'll be working today. Once you're in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard. Next, navigate to the Service section, look at the top menu on your dashboard, and you'll see a tab labeled Service. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu, select Help Desk. The Help Desk is the central hub for managing customer service tasks, making it the perfect place to create, track, and resolve tickets. Once you're in the Help Desk, click on the Create Ticket button. This button starts the process of entering all the details needed to document and manage your ticket. Think of it as opening a fresh file where you'll record everything related to this particular issue or request. Now, let's begin by giving your ticket a name. The name should be clear and descriptive so that you and your team can easily identify the ticket at a glance. For example, if you're reporting a technical issue, you might name it something like Software Bug Report, Error Code 404. A good name ensures everyone knows what the ticket is about without having to dig into the details. After naming your ticket, it's time to select the appropriate pipeline. In HubSpot, pipelines represent the workflows or processes for different types of service tasks. For example, you might have separate pipelines for customer support, technical support, or sales inquiries. Choosing the right pipeline ensures that your ticket is routed through the correct process for resolution. Next, set the status of your ticket. The status is a simple way to track where the ticket stands at any given time. Depending on your workflow, you might set it to New if the ticket has just been created, In Progress if someone is actively working on it, or Closed if the issue has been resolved. Keeping the status updated is key to maintaining an organized support system. At this point, you'll want to add additional details to your ticket. Start with ticket priority. Is this a high priority issue that needs immediate resolution, or is it something less urgent? Setting the priority helps you and your team decide which tickets to focus on first, then associate the ticket with a specific contact. This could be the customer or team member who reported the issue. Finally, don't forget to include a due date. Assigning a deadline ensures that the ticket gets resolved in a timely manner. Once you've entered all the details, take a moment to review everything. Accuracy is important here. Double-check the name, pipeline, status, priority, and any associated contact information. Correct details ensure that the ticket is well documented and can be resolved without unnecessary delays. When you're confident that everything looks good, go ahead and save the ticket. Saving finalizes the creation process and officially logs the ticket into your system. From here, your team can begin addressing the issue and tracking its progress until it's resolved. And that's it. You've just learned how to create tickets in HubSpot, from logging in and navigating to the help desk to entering all the necessary details and saving the ticket. With these steps, you can ensure your customer service operations run smoothly and efficiently. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.